Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into the basics of cloud computing, what it is, how it works, and why it's a game changer. So first things first, what is cloud computing? Simply put, it's the delivery of computing services like storage, processing power, and networking over the internet. Instead of relying on your local servers or personal devices, cloud computing lets you access these resources remotely and on demand. Imagine having a giant virtual computer you can tap into any time without needing to lug it around. Now let's break down the different types of cloud models. First up, we've got the public cloud. This is where services are delivered over the public internet and shared among multiple users. Think Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud. Super handy, but you're sharing space with others. Next, we have the private cloud. This one's maintained on a private network for a specific organization. It's like having your personal cloud, more control and security, but a bit pricier. And then there's the hybrid cloud. This one's a mix of both public and private clouds, offering flexibility by allowing data and applications to be shared between them. It's like having the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about some popular cloud services. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, offers a variety of services like computing power, storage, and databases. It's a one-stop shop for all your cloud needs. Google Cloud is another big player, known for its data analytics tools and machine learning services. Perfect if you're diving into the world of big data and AI. And then there's Microsoft Azure. It focuses a lot on hybrid cloud services and provides a wide range of computing resources from storage to AI. Alright, let's look at some real-world applications. For storage and backup, services like Google Drive and Dropbox are lifesavers. They use cloud computing to store data safely and let you access it easily. Need web hosting? Websites hosted on cloud platforms like AWS or Azure benefit from scalability and reliability. And for software as a service, or SaaS, tools like Office 365 and Salesforce are delivered via the cloud, making them super convenient and always up to date. Now, why is cloud computing so beneficial? First up, scalability. You can easily adjust resources based on demand without investing in expensive hardware. Then there's flexibility. Access your data and applications from anywhere at any time using any device. Work from the beach. Why not? And lastly, cost efficiency. Pay only for the services you use, reducing upfront costs and maintenance. Perfect for students and startups alike. And that's a wrap on cloud computing basics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you next time.